HomeLife Brands is a cause-based business. We started with iHeartDogs. That's actually our flagship store. Very soon after, we started iHeartCats, recognizing that both dog and cat buyers are different and unique in their own ways. We recognized that one of our products really warranted having its own site, which is Cannanine CBD. And lastly, we recognized that U.S. veterans deserve to have a different user experience. And so from that, we developed the Hero Company. We recognized pretty quickly beforehand we're going to need an inventory system that can assist us in fulfilling orders. In 2017, we had a smaller team. We had one warehouse at that time. We still have one warehouse, but we've actually grown our SKU list and our team to now where we're over 65 employees, 40 of which actually are active and using Finale today. With the Platinum Plus program, we recognized that in Q4, which is our busiest season of the year, we have approximately 2,400 replacement requests that come in for a variety of reasons. With that, it requires our Hero support team to go in and confirm the inventory. And what Fred did for us is he built us a mechanism within Finale that allows us to quickly identify if there's inventory in existence. We estimate that the time savings should be approximately 33 hours for us. It integrates with Google Sheets. So the fact that Finale could take our KPIs such as orders shipped, items shipped, and average items per order, those items, and be able to compile that in a data sheet that we can quickly see by month and we can toggle back and forth has been huge for us. And to be able to see not only where we are, but year over year, to be able to look at that analytics quickly and have Finale updating that automatically each day has been a huge time savings and a benefit that I really appreciate. It's not just a tool, but it's a partnership that results in streamlining operations, reduction in errors, and savings in labor costs. Finale offers a really nice feature that allows us to batch orders, what they might term pick and pack way of sending out orders. And it enables us to use the scanner. And what that does is it locks down inventory to ensure that it's accurate and correct. There are no mistakes that are made through that process, so it assists us with the accuracy there. Our error rate overall is really low. We have only 0.07% error rate, which is very low for most warehouses. And I want to attribute that to an outstanding team, but you couple that with a software that is the right fit for your business, and you can only go up from there.